All right, I'm back with another HomeDepot.com tool deals of the day. It is today only, Monday, August 10th, 2026. So if you're watching this deal video after that date, unfortunately, these deals are no longer in effect. I will place an affiliate link down in the description below, as well as a pinned comment that'll take you right to this deals page. If you decide to make any purchase on HomeDepot.com, I will get credit for it. And I really do appreciate that support. And I do want to thank everyone who does use the link. It really does help. And the best part is it won't cost you any more money. So again, thank you for that support. I really do appreciate it. All right, to get started, so they do have some great deals today. They knocked it out of the park on some of these Milwaukee deals again. Starting off on the M18 of the 2-pack of the 8 amp hour Forge batteries with the rapid charger for $394. That's saving $155. That's 28% off. And they have the deal on the M12 of the 2-tool combo kit with the hammer drill and impact driver, as well as the 2 batteries that kit normally comes with, but they have that paired again with the 5 amp hour high output battery, as well as a bit kit for the 249, saving $116, 32% off on that one. It is a good deal because the kit now I think is priced around $239 or $230. So getting that 5 amp hour high output battery makes it an excellent deal because that's a $129 value by itself. And we saw this deal last week during the pro deals of the week. This is actually a good deal on the M12 with the fuel oscillating multi-tool with 2 of the 5 amp hour high output batteries in the charger. Also includes a blade and some sanding discs for the 189, saving $260, 58% off. That's an incredible deal on that one. And here's a good deal on the M18 of the 1/2-inch impact wrench. This is the high torque one with a 5 amp hour battery for the 279, saving $180, 39% off. That is an excellent deal. Starting to see a little bit more deals on the 1/2-inch impact wrench. Really liking what I'm seeing. It's a pretty good deal. All right, now we'll get into some DeWalt options. And this one I'd actually recommend passing on because this is brushed models of the impact and drill driver for $169, saving $70. That's 29% off. You'd be better off going with an Atomic series that is brushless for right around the same price. And they brought back a deal on the DeWalt 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw for the $393, saving $236. That's 38% off. The deal last week was $399, so saving a little bit extra right now. And here is a decent deal on the DeWalt 20 volt. It's the 4 amp hour XR battery and a 2 amp hour one for the $119, saving $100, 46% off. And a deal on the Atomic series of the hammer drill with a 5 amp hour battery for $219, saving $169, and that's 44% off. And here's a good deal from Ryobi. It's on the 18 volt of the hybrid 7.5-inch fan with a 2 amp hour battery for the $60, saving $88, 59% off. This hybrid fan retails at $60 tool only, so technically you're getting a free battery today. And they did bring back another deal on the Ryobi of the 2-pack of the clamp speakers. Today it's $66 for the 2, saving $53. That's 45% off. And I think we've actually seen a better deal on these 2 before. I think we're priced around $59 or so. So it is a little bit more expensive today. And here's a good deal on the Ryobi 18 volt of the 4.5-inch angle grinder with a 2 amp hour battery for the $60. That's saving $89. That's 60% off. That's a pretty good one. That is going to be a brushed model though, but for $60 with a battery, that's pretty good. And here's a deal on the Ryobi hybrid fan with 2 amp hour batteries in the charger for the $119, saving $153.94. That's 56% off. You'd actually be better off going with 2 of these. That way you'd have basically for the same price, you'd have 2 fans and 2 amp hour batteries. You just wouldn't have a charger. So if you're already in the Ryobi platform, then just go for the 2 hybrid fans. And here is another good deal on the high torque impact wrench, the M18 Milwaukee. They have that with the fuel model of the impact driver for the 279, saving $180. That's 39% off. It's an excellent deal. And if you saw my video yesterday from Home Depot in-store deals, they recently rolled out that BOGO deal where you buy a select tool and you do have that impact driver as a free tool option. The other option is a 5 amp hour battery, but that fuel model of the impact driver's retail price is $179 by itself. So it is an excellent deal. And next up is a deal on the cordless compact router, the M18 one with a 5 amp hour battery for the $199, saving $190, 49% off. Again, that's a good deal. Now in the store, the deal I had showed in the store, they lowered the price of the compact router to $209. And I actually think that might be a regional pricing because I was getting some feedback from others saying that they didn't have that same lower price on the router because the router price by itself is priced around $229. So this is an actual Good deal today at $199, and it does include that 5 amp hour battery. All right, next option is going to be on the Big Hog carbide hole saw kit, 9-piece set with a pack out case for the $129, saving almost $111. That's 46% off. We have seen that deal before. And here is a good deal on the M18 of the 1/2-inch compact drill driver. It is brushless with a 2 amp hour battery and the charger in the bag for the $95, saving $103. That's 52% off. And the clearance deal on the store, last I checked, was priced at $116. So excellent deal today on that one. And in case you missed out on the deal last week on the Home Depot Pro Deals of the week, they brought back a deal again on this Ridgid 2 4 amp hour max output batteries with the charger for $79. That's an excellent deal that is saving $229, 74% off. So if you happen to buy some new Nuke tools where you got a free battery, and obviously there was no charger included, that if you weren't already in the Ridgid platform, this would be a great kit to pick up for only $79. Get 2 extra batteries and the charger. And the next option from Ridgid is on the 18 volt of the inverter with the 2 amp hour battery and the charger for $79, saving $188. 71% off on that one. Another good deal. And they have the 18 volt of the compact bandsaw kit with a 4 amp hour battery and the charger for $189. Saving almost $40 at 17% off. This is going to be their older battery, by the way. It's not the max output one. And they did bring back a deal on the belt sander from Ridgid, 18 volt. It's a 3-inch by 18-inch one with a 2 amp hour battery and the charger for the $121, saving almost $125. 51% off. Again, it's a good deal. I think we saw the same price. It might have been $119 before, somewhere around there. Now they have a deal on the mid-torque impact wrench. It's the 3/8 drive one with 2 of the oil-resistant batteries and the charger and hard case for $356, saving $123. That's 26% off. Then they have the M12 of the 3/8 right-angle drill driver with 2 amp hour batteries and the charger for the $119, saving $200, 63% off. It's a good deal on that one. This is going to be the brush model, by the way. And the next deal is going to be on the 1/2-inch drive of the Shockwave Impact Duty socket set in the SAE. It's a 15-piece set for the $94, saving almost $86, 48% off. And the next deal is going to be on the M18 of the compact bandsaw with the impact driver for the $329, saving $190, 37% off. I think this is one of the options they have is the BOGO deal, both in store and online. That goes all the way until, I think, November. All right, the next deal I actually recommend passing on because it is awfully expensive for 4 batteries from DeWalt. It's the 20 volt, 2 of the 5 amp hour batteries and 2 of the 2 amp hour ones for the $297, saving only $82. Again, that's pretty expensive for those 4 batteries and not getting any tools at all. Next deal is going to be on the DeWalt 20 volt 6.5-inch circular saw for the $113, saving $46. That's 29% off. And this is going to be the brushed model of the circular saw, which I do have this one. It's been great. I've had it for 10 years. I've recently had a problem on it, which is the reason why I had to pick up the 7.25-inch one, is I was not able to get the blade off of it, which I currently have a Hardy siding blade on it, so I'm only limited to use it on Hardy siding right now. Next option from DeWalt is going to be on the 20 volt of the copper swage tool, again, for the $341, saving $258, 43% off, and that does include a 2 amp hour battery and the charger in that hard case. And then it brought on a deal on the Atomic series of the 2-tool combo kit with a hammer drill and impact driver with 2 amp hour batteries, a charger in the bag for the $214, saving $65. That's 23% off. Now we'll get into some outdoor power equipment. I'll kind of just skim through it real quick, but if you're interested, definitely check it out. It has some decent savings on different items, like 27% off on the mower and blower, and 28% off on the 12-inch chainsaw, and 25% off on the 600 PSI electric power cleaner, which I have the first version of this power cleaner. It does pretty decent. You just put that hose in a 5-gallon bucket, and it's obviously cordless, so you could be anywhere and just use it to rinse off stuff. It's not very powerful. Well, the one I have is not very powerful. This one's going to be more powerful at 600 PSI. So that was $149. And here is a decent deal from Ryobi on the pressure washer, the 1.2 gallon 1800 PSI for $99. And they are putting in a surface cleaner for that $99. So it is saving $30 on that. And that's 23% off. I think that power cleaner by itself is priced around $100 alone. And they have another pressure washer option with the gasoline engine for the $259, saving almost $76, 23% off. And they have some home light deals, so if you're looking for some of those, definitely check those out. And they have some deals on the Anchor brand of the portable power stations, saving 15% on this one and 20% on the 1500 watt one. And here's one with a solar panel. Here's one with a solar panel with a 200 watt one for the $869. That's pretty decent. saving 21%. And they have other options as well to consider. Anchor does make pretty solid power stations as well as solar setups. It is a good brand. We'll get into some more Ryobi options now. They have the 18 volt, the 3/8 impact wrench. It is tool only for $57, saving almost 32% off on that one. That's a pretty good deal. And for $60, they have the 4.5-inch angle grinder with a clamp fan for the $60, saving 30. That's 33% off. So in case you don't need the battery deal like they have up above for the same price, I need a clamp fan, which I have one of these clamp fans, and it's pretty decent for the size. And the next Ryobi option is on the 18 volt of the 5-inch random orbit sander with the clamp fan, again for the same price of $60, saving almost 30. That's 33% off on that one as well. That is going to be a brush model of the random orbit sander, by the way. Then they have the 3-light kit from Ryobi for $83.20, saving $111, 57% off. And they did bring on a deal on the Milwaukee M18 of the 2 6-amp-hour high output batteries in the charger for the 254, saving $95, 27% off. I'd actually recommend passing on this one because the deal we had seen previously on it was $299 and getting a free tool. So this is definitely not a good deal here today. Next Milwaukee option is on the M18 of the 3/8 compact impact wrench with 2 of those oil resistant 5.0 batteries in the charger and the hard case for the 341, saving $108. That's 24% off. And here's a good deal again on the Milwaukee M18 of the 1/2-inch hammer drill with the 1/4-inch impact driver. These are going to be tool only. It's only $199, saving $200. That's 50% off on that one. This is going to be a similar deal as the BOGO deal they just recently came out with. You buy that hammer drill and get the free impact driver as an option. $199 is a good price for those 2 tools, so $100 each. Can't beat that one. Next option is on the M18 of the brushless 1/4-inch impact driver. It's not the Feel one, but it is brushless. It does have a 2-amp-hour battery with that for the $95, saving $103. That's 52% off. Again, that is a good deal compared to the in-store clearance item that I had showed a few weeks ago. They also had that one priced at like $116 or $120. So it is a good deal here today at $95, just like that compact brushless drill is for the same price. Now we'll get into some more Ridgid options. I recommend passing on this one and actually go for the 2 of the 4-amp-hour max output batteries above for only $79. This one here is the previous version of the battery of the 4-amp-hour one and 2-amp-hour one, the charger for the 96. So not a good deal compared to that other one. Next up is for $62.57 is on the 18 volt of the 2-amp-hour battery. Again, I'd recommend passing on that one. And they have a 10-tool combo kit from Ridgid on the 18 volt with a 4-amp-hour max output battery, and it looks like a 2-amp-hour one as well for the 475, saving $324. That's 41% off. And for $68.14, you could pick up the 4-amp-hour max output battery and the 2-amp-hour one. It is saving only $30.86. 31% off. So again, go for the 2-pack of the 4-amp-hour max output batteries for only $11 more, and also getting that charger as well. And they did bring back a deal on the M18 of the 1/4-inch lock bolt tool for $1,049, saving $449. That's 30% off. And they have a deal again on the 10-pack of the cooling PVA towels for $60. And they have the Ryobi USB, the glue pen kit with a 2-amp-hour USB battery for the $37.97, saving almost $12. It's only 24% off. And they brought back deal again on the DeWalt 20 volt of the cordless green crossline laser level kit with a 2-amp-hour battery in the charger and that hard case for the $329, saving $270, 45% off. So that's going to be a better deal than what we've seen before. And they did bring back a deal. Milwaukee metric combination ratcheting wrench set. It's a 7-piece set for the $101.49, saving $43. That's 30% off. Still pretty expensive for only 7 wrenches. And they also have the deal again on the cooling microfiber towels, a 10-pack of them for $80, saving $33. Another DeWalt laser deal for $377. I'd recommend passing on that one. Go for the other one above. That's only $329. Another DeWalt laser level for $85, saving $127, 60% off. That's a little bit better in savings. It does use 2 AA batteries. It is 120-foot green self-leveling 3-spot laser level. And they have the DeWalt 100-foot self-leveling crossline laser level with that Tough Series lift jack. It's a construction one for $219, saving $94, 30% off. And for $419, they have another DeWalt laser level. It does appear to be only, it says tool only, so no batteries are included for that $419. So again, you'd be better off going with that other deal above. And they have a deal on the Ridgid hot glue gun with a 2-amp-hour battery and some glue sticks for the $109, saving only $30. That's 22% off. And you can save 30% on the Empire 125-foot green 3-point laser level for the $96.92, saving 41. And they did bring on a better deal for gear wrench. It's the half-inch drive, 6-point steep SAE and metric ratchet and socket mechanics tool set for the $186, saving 79. It's 30% off. The deals we saw previously where I think it was only saving 5 or 6%, something crazy low. So it is saving almost $80. This is a 49-piece set for the 187. So actually, I'd recommend skipping on this. If you're in the market for something like this is the week of the Harbor Freight parking lot sale where you could save 35% on a Quinn master socket set. Let me pull that up. All right, so here's the Quinn half-inch drive of the SAE metric socket set. It's an 83-piece set, so you're getting more pieces for $155 and then save 35% on that, so you could pick it up for $100. It's an excellent deal this week during the parking lot sale at Harbor Freight, so I recommend going that route. And obviously it does come with a lifetime warranty, as everyone probably already knows, and it's obviously easy to switch out at the store under that warranty. So I would recommend passing on this gear wrench. All right, next up is going to be on the Big Hog carbide hole saw kit. It's a 7-piece set for $86.50, saving $63.47, 42% off. And they did bring back a deal again on the Milwaukee multi-oscillating blade set. This is a 5-blade kit for only $19.01, saving $68.84. That's 78% off. That's an excellent deal today. The previous deal we've seen on this one before was like around 25 or so. So it is a good deal, as well as on the Diablo oscillating multi-blade set, this 5-piece set, which has different blades with it. This is also a good deal at $19.11, saving almost 25. That's 57% off. So if you happen to have picked up either of these, and you paid more for them, and if you're within the 30-day window, be sure to contact customer service and they will refund you the difference because of the deal they have today on them. It's definitely worth a call. And they have the Diablo 2-pack of the Universal Fit oscillating blade set for $11, saving almost $9, 45% off. Again, I'd probably recommend going for the 5-piece set here, getting more for double the price. All right, next up is a deal on the Milwaukee of the Shockwave impact duty of the 3/8 drive in the SAE. It's a 17-piece set of the sockets with that pack out case for $75.80, saving $49. That's 39% off. And they have a deal on the M12 of the 400 lumen cordless LED lantern for $45.28, saving $34. That's 43% off. And the next deal is going to be on the Ryobi oscillating multi-blade set. It's a 40-piece set total for $46, saving almost $44. That's 49% off. And clearly they're adding a bunch of the sanding paper with that. Next option is on the Diablo, the bimetal amped carbide recip saw blade set. It's a 6-piece set for only $11.79, saving $4. That's 26% off. That is still a good deal to get all those blades for only $12. And the next Diablo option is going to be on the 2-pack of the 1.25" Universal Fit Carbide multi-blade set for $13.53. Again, you'd be better off going with the other kit up above. And they have an individual deal on the DeWalt extended magazine for the 30-degree framing nailer for $66, saving $43. It's 39% off. And they have a decent deal on the brushless 5-inch random orbit sander from Ryobi. They have that with 3 batteries total, which is 2 4-amp-hour ones, as well as I think that's a 2-amp-hour one for the 183, saving almost $308, 63% off. So during the Ryobi days, something like this would have been $200, where you're buying that battery starter kit and getting an option of a free tool. So you are saving more here today on that kit. And the same thing goes for the D-handle jigsaw from Ryobi. They have that with the battery starter kit, the 3 batteries for 183, saving almost $308. That's 63% off. Again, that's a good deal. It is the brushless D-handle jigsaw. And they have a deal on the Ridgid of the subcompact brushless cordless 2-tool combo kit. It has a quarter sheet sander as well as the random orbit sander for $131. That's saving $147. That's 53% off. And they brought on a deal again on the Milwaukee M12 of the brushless 6-inch random orbit sander kit with a 5-amp-hour high output battery. And it looks like a 2.5-amp-hour high output one as well for the 362, saving $137. That's 27% off. And that's still pretty pricey, in my opinion, for a sander. And the next Milwaukee option is going to be on the M18 of the compact bandsaw kit with 2 3-amp-hour batteries and the charger in the bag for $426, saving $153. That's 26% off. And that is going to be it for the tool deals of the day, today only, Monday, August 10th, 2026. Again, I will have a link down in the description below, as well as a pinned comment that'll take you right to this deals page on HomeDepot.com. These deals are only available online and not in the store. And if you did gain any value from this video, I really appreciate you giving it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this, and I will see you in the next one. Crasher out.